can find this printable sewing pattern in the description. Choose your size. Cut and glue the pattern with a sticky tape. Cut the back pattern with a folding line. Add seam allowance. I suggest 1 centimeter. Cut off this part to make front pattern. Cut the pattern in the mirror image. Flizzle-in adhesive to the pockets. Sew the sides and shoulders. Sew the pockets. Measure the length of the robe on your figure. Then, measure the long neckline part to the robe, cut the excess length and sew the bottom edge. Sew the bottom of the neckline. Sew the bottom edge of the robe. Fold and iron the seam allowance. Pin the robe between 2 neckline layers. Sew the armhole. Sew the bottom of the sleeves. Good luck with your project!